definitely helpful for the organization, for ourselves, for our colleagues, staffs. It's good for everyone.
Very informative. We usually miss out sometimes.
How to deal with the patient, with the victims that I come to know. The practical knowledge are also very good. The training, the academy is very nice. So the training is very good. And surely I will share my shift details with others also in relation to the family also. And I will use it in case happen anyway. So I'm much confident now.
Very inspiring the training because the first time for the first thing that is a sub training for first it is a good.
More confident within any condition, situation, and you can save some life.
I'm now ready to do first aid and CPR in the field, whatever for people feel.